Hi, I'm Parag Sanghani with the Westwood Salient Energy Infrastructure Team. For today's video, I'll recap August performance and provide highlights for the energy industry. For the month of August, midstream indices were generally higher with the Alerian Midstream Energy Index, or the AMNAX, returning 5%. Year-to-date, midstream performance continues to impress, with indices up about 19 to 26% depending on index composition. Despite strong midstream performance and record oil and gas production, we continue to see weakness in broad energy indices such as the large cap XLE, which was down 2.1%, and the OIH Oil Services ETF, which was down 11.5% for the month. We believe oil prices are the primary driver of weak performance for those sectors. Oil was down nearly 6% in August, followed by a similar decline in July. In fact, last week, OPEC once again showed support for oil prices by deciding to hold off on production increases that were slated for October. We believe there is now a reasonable chance that OPEC may actually cut production to support oil prices in coming quarters. Moving on to individual midstream stock performance. U.S. and Canadian C Corps performed quite well in August relative to MLPs. U.S. C Corps were up an average of 4.6%, with ONEOK, ticker OKE, up 14.6%. The company rallied nicely following an announcement that it will acquire all of GIP's interest in Medallion Midstream, which is a provider of crude gathering in the Permian Basin, and EnLink, ticker ENLC, with the intent to eventually purchase all of ENLC's public shares in the future. Consolidation continued to be a major theme for the industry in August, as it has all year. In addition to U.S. C Corps, we saw the two mega-cap Canadian companies, Enbridge, ticker EMB, and TC Energy, ticker TRP, rally strongly in anticipation of declining rates. Both companies were up over 6.5% during the month. Year to date, we continue to see some meaningful dispersion in performance across the midstream sector. Winners tend to be companies that remain focused on accelerating both free cash flow generation and capital returns to shareholders, while companies that remain over-levered or those operating in declining volume segments continue to lag. Finally, I wanted to share a topic of discussion we've had on the team for the past several weeks. As you can see on this graph, the correlation between the AMNA Midstream Index and oil has historically been high. For 2021 and 2022, rolling 6-month correlation was at or above 0.6 for the vast majority of the time. However, in late 2023, we saw a divergence between midstream and oil prices that has continued through August. This divergence has now caused the rolling 6-month correlation of midstream with oil to actually flip negative in the month of August. In the past, when we have seen this magnitude of negative correlation, there has been a subsequent catch up or catch down in the market between midstream and oil. Hopefully, we will see oil prices rebound with OPEC support in coming weeks. Thank you, and if you have any questions, please reach out to your Westwood representative.